Hey coffee lovers, I've got 3 reasons why the OXO Conical Burr Coffee Grinder will change your mornings forever. First, its stainless steel burrs provide a consistent grind every time, unlocking the best flavor from your beans. Plus, with 15 grind settings, it's perfect for any brewing method from espresso to French press. And my personal lifesaver, the one-touch start that remembers your last setting. Imagine waking up, pressing a button, and getting the perfect grind instantly. No fuss, just fantastic coffee. So, whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just starting out, upgrade your coffee game with this grinder. Get yours now. Trust me, it will elevate your coffee experience to a whole new level.